Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What we're looking at here is a Kohler CS12S. This is a single cylinder motor, 357 cc's is the displacement on this thing. I got this motor up here because a guy that I'd met through Craigslist, we did some horse trading. I got a motor, and he asked me if I could fix motors and stuff, and I said, yeah, I can pretty much fix whatever you got. What do you got? And he says, I got a motor that came out of a, I guess it's a mule type device that he's using on the farm, and I guess he wasn't too hip on fixing it himself, so I'm happy to take a look at it. And what has gone on here, he says that it stopped running and it lost compression. As soon as I took the valve cover off of it, I was able to find out why it lost compression. What this is the valve spring for the intake valve. And what this is the valve spring keeper. And I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but it has failed. It is usually a U-shaped clip that holds the end of the valve, and there is a depression in here that the retainer holds the valve in place. Well, since it's gone away, the valve was no longer being actuated in the correct manner, and it basically dropped the valve. Luckily enough, it probably stopped running, and it doesn't appear to have damage to it. I can move the valve up and down, so hopefully he doesn't have a bent valve, but we will ascertain that at a later time. But what's really cool about this, it's an electric start motor. There's no pull starter on this thing. Yeah, if you can't get it running by the starter motor, I don't think this thing's going to run unless you bump start it, I think. Anyways, I have already ordered the parts to fix this thing, so hopefully in the second video, I'll actually rip this thing apart and show you guys how to change out a valve spring and retainer on a Kohler engine. So until video 2, thanks for watching.